What is digital marketing? The new use of media or digital technology to achieve marketing goals. But let's dig deeper. Digital marketing is defined with the within the parameters of technologies using digital format and the internet. This can range from computer to your mobile phones to digital billboards. It's comprised of online shared experience such as social media or digital marketing. Um, so these all these experiences help marketers create, distribute, and track their campaigns on digital platform. Some instances of how old media have translated into new media formats today. In the past, we have books. Today, we have e-books. In the past, we have journalism, mainstream journalism, and nowadays we have blogs. Even journalists these days want to become bloggers. In the past, we have radio. Now we have podcast. Television in the past we have now been replaced with full episode of YouTube and Netflix and other video streaming platform. Historically, digital marketing began with the start of a new media and the internet bubble of the 1990s. From the first clickable web ad from AT&T in 1994, prophetically asking you, have you ever clicked on your mouse right here? You will. Some of you that have seen this type of ad before will laugh at this. Today, banner ads are so common that we have even developed technologies to block them from appearing and invading our screens. That being said, digital marketing has developed to be much more complex network of communication, collaboration, community, creativity, and even convergence beyond simple display ads. Notoriously, the development of digital marketing has led to two marketing concepts known as inbound and outbound marketing.